Welcome to Ouimet Canyon Provincial Park, one of the most breathtaking natural wonders in northern Ontario. This park is home to a massive gorge over 100 meters deep and 150 meters wide, with incredible views you don't want to miss. The hike here is short and easy, with a well-marked trail leading to two viewing platforms that overlook the canyon. Here's a little tip. You can actually do the loop trail in reverse for a shortcut straight to the lookout if you're tight on time. The views are simply magnificent. Cliffs, rugged rock walls, and the vast forest stretching out for miles. It's a must-see stop along Highway 1117. Here are some tips and tricks. The road into Ouimet Canyon is hilly, so if you're towing an RV or trailer, you'll need to unhitch and leave it at the designated lot before heading up to the park. Make sure to bring a camera and some bug spray during the summer months.
What is that? What kind of move is that?
If you're road tripping through northern Ontario, Ouimet Canyon is a quick stop that packs a big punch. Easy hike, incredible views, and a truly unique landscape you won't forget.
So, for a shorter path, once you walk and see the fork in the road, just hang a right. The main view is 30 meters from that. The view over here seems to be the same. This one, you kind of had a view of the lake on the right.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and hit subscribe for more Ontario adventures.